Hey guys, hello. Welcome to This Thing's Got Problems. And the thing that has problems today is, well, I got a motorcycle back here with all kinds of rust. And I've been seeing online kind of a life hack. Aluminum foil. Does this actually take off rust, or does it just make things worse? I don't know, but let's quickly find out. Yeah, she's got problems. So I took the horn off because, well, I'm going to replace it because, I mean, obviously it's as bad as the rest of the motorcycle, but I can put it on a bench and it's going to make it a little bit easier to at least test this theory out. There she is in all her disgusting glory. Let's give it a shot. So yeah, I am a fan of using the Sprayway and steel wool so much, in fact, that this is how I buy it. But we're gonna give this a shot now. Maybe I'll just half and half, and we'll see what's what. Let's get to work. All right, Quad Zero, steel wool, Sprayway, glass cleaner. Do this side, spray yourself in the face. All right, and just start giving her, just get at it. Arm is sore from working on this thing yesterday. This bike is not good. Runs great though. It's weird. That part was maintained. He was like, wash it? Nah, ain't got the time. Here's the Quad Zero steel wool and Sprayway glass cleaner. Yeah, this side right here. There's nothing left to polish. It's gone. So, same as here. Interesting to see what the foil will do with that over there. But, I mean, okay. If I, give it a little bit more time here, I can get that out. Now let's move on to the foil. I guess just get some, you go at it dry. I use the Sprayway, I guess, because I don't know. Because I don't know. Let's just see what it does. Maybe angle it so you can see it, because that's the point of the video, right? It sounds awful. So crunchy. Not entirely sure this just isn't scratching the absolute piss out of it. I mean, there's some, not nearly as bad as I thought it would be. Interesting. All right, time lapse engage. All right, update time. How did we do? This was the Quad Zero steel wool, this side, which does do better on whatever this green crap is, this type of corrosion. Where it wasn't as bad, did pretty good. You can tell it's still, I mean, the pits are the pits. Where are they gonna go? It's there. But interestingly enough, on this side where pits are, it kind of filled it in. How long that lasts, I don't know. As you can see here, also kind of, it filled it in. Didn't do so good here, but here on the rust, now yes, it does leave some scratches, but it looked like a rusted hunk of crap. So who cares, I guess? Do you want, that? Or do you want, a little this? Know what I'm saying? So I actually think a combination of the steel wool and the foil might be the way to go. I'm going to finish this up and we'll have a before and after, and and then you can move on with your lives and watch something else that's way more entertaining. I guess it works-ish. I think a combo is your best bet there, guys. And interestingly, this will actually metal transfer and kind of fill in the pits. So, I mean, I don't know how long that's gonna stay in there, but it even, it helped that side out where the steel wool couldn't get. Where the steel wool was good, again, was that green stuff. But the rust, I mean, I guess, sure. It'll save your part. I'm not putting this back on the bike. I'm going to immediately punt it into the trash when we're done here, because I know, I'm not selling that to someone. It's garbage. This is a good example. That's about it. There you go, guys. Get you some foil, I guess, in your detail kit, because apparently the internet was right. I'll be damned. All right, give us a like and a subscribe if you could. Doesn't cost you anything. Just hit subscribe and, you can help me take over the world, I guess. Is that what you do? Do you get space bucks? Mario coins? I don't know what you earn, but just subscribe would be cool. All right, talk to you next time.